to build the brand? And then how can I monetize it?
Yeah, so let's talk about the first question. How do you build a TikTok channel around your brand? So the first part, and this is a great reflective exercise. I think TikTok is something that really makes you reflect on your business, is do you have a very strongly identified brand identity? Like if you had to describe your brand as a person, could you do that? And if you can, then it's actually quite easy to translate a brand personality into very short form videos because you go, my brand's about education, it's about empowerment, it's about whatever the things your brand is about. It's very easy to think about how to translate that into short form video. It's not complicated like starting a YouTube channel where there has to be all this different production or things you put into it. So I'd say step number one is really identify like what's your brand's identity, and then think about what types of content fit within that identity. So is it going to be like straight up educational videos where you're teaching people things? Is it going to be more on the entertainment side where you're really just trying to, make people happy or connect with them in a particular emotional capacity? And then of course you have to figure out, okay, what are my visuals? What's the content inside my video? And one of the best ways to do that is really by looking on the platform to see what other people are doing well within your category. So yes, there might be, if you're in a really obscure business, there might not be a lot of content for you to look at to see what's working well. But if you're in any industry that, has a large number of people who work in that industry, it's very likely you can go on TikTok, do a hashtag search and see what content is already working well and get some ideas from that.
Great.